my recipe from my garden. I'm Mara and today we are going to cook a pasta with zucchini. Zucchini, light green zucchini, dark zucchini, any kind of zucchini. They will be just delicious. These are the ingredients. For this dish you need 200 grams of pasta, 7 ounces, fusilli, penne, farfalle, rigatoni, 50 grams, 1 ounce, 0.7 of parmesan, 500 grams of zucchini, 17 ounces, a bunch of flat leaf parsley, which more or less is half a cup. Then you will see an onion, but the onion I don't always put it, but it's optional. 1 tablespoon of oregano, 2 cloves of garlic. Then we have basil, more or less 10 leaves of basil, but you don't count it, just a little bit of basil. A third of a cup of extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper, and of course a pan for cooking the pasta and a frying pan for the zucchini. If you decide to go for the zucchini blossom option, you will need 6-8 zucchini blossom, half of a shallot or a tiny one, and 2 leaves of basil. Let's start slicing the zucchini. You can cut it like this. Thin, not so much. Or I will show you the option you have. In fact, the cut you choose will determine the look, the consistency, and also the taste of your pasta. You can, in fact, shred them. The difference in cut will determine how zucchini will marry with your pasta, how they will blend with it. The shredded zucchini will blend much more. The consistency will be smooth and creamy, and the taste very, very delicate, while the sliced zucchini will have a more prominent zucchini taste, and you will be able to see and recognize your zucchini. The only important thing is that zucchini should be fresh. When it's big and it's dark green, they have a peel that is a little bit more hard. So I just take a little away, not so much because it gives taste. Let's start with the small, so you can see how you can do it with a mixer, with the proper tool. Any way you do it will be fine. You see, what you have is even fast by hand, because there are not tons of zucchini here. They're just a little there are 2 quantity for 2 people pasta. So, and we continue. And you see what we have? We really have a shredded one. I will just spend 2 words for the pasta that you are going to choose. Any shape will do, but you have to choose a very good quality durum wheat pasta, which is semolina pasta, and you have to check the water. So 1 liter of water for 100 grams of pasta, so abundant water. But the water when you put the pasta inside, it has to stay transparent. You have to be able to see the pasta inside. If the water is whitish or cloudy, the pasta is not so good. This is a very easy trick to check the quality of your pasta. So let's go on. We have to saute the zucchini. There we are. We put the olive oil, half a cup, oregano, dry oregano this time, parsley, and the rest, zucchini. It looks like a lot, but they will shrink. So now I think I need a little bit more oil. If I had put a bigger pan, I would have done all together. Anyway, now we are closing the lid and we will see in 10 minutes how it looks like. It's nice. I forgot the salt. Now I'm going to put the salt. Not ready yet. We still need some more cooking. Perhaps I will increase the fire. Fine. It's beautiful. They're beautiful. They're ready. Now you can just drain your pasta, drop it in the pan, mix it and serve it. Some parmesan and bon appetit. Or you have an option. You can add an extra touch with zucchini blossoms. Here what you need. You need super fresh zucchini blossom. You need 2 or 3 leaves of basil and half a shallot. You just add your flowers and you cook it super gently. And these are our zucchini blossoms. Done. You just add a little bit of salt, and as you can see, the onion, the shallot is just transparent. The zucchini, the blossom are not fried, and they just lose consistency. They are perfect to add on the top of your pasta. And as I said before, it's an optional. It's just a very nice touch. Here are the instructions for the making of the alternative recipe, the creamy pasta with zucchini. The preparation is exactly the same and the ingredients are the same. So we always have garlic, olive oil, and this time the zucchini are shredded. As usual with zucchini, it looks a lot of zucchini, but they keep reducing while cooking, as you noticed with the sliced zucchini, the other recipe. So we add the coarse salt now, so we don't forget. We put on the lid and we will see each other in 15 minutes and see how they look. We are ready. It's perfect. You see, you turn it and you can see a crust, little crust, not burnt. The oil doesn't smell burnt at all. There is a delicious fragrance all over coming out of this. So, we are super ready. I just chose the pasta. It will be rigatoni for the creamy zucchini and penne for the zucchini with zucchini blossom. The pasta is almost ready. For this recipe, keep it just 1 minute undercooked. Then you add the parmesan, you add few spoons of the starchy water of the pasta, and the pasta, of course. You drain it and you put it in the same pan. You mix, and voila! Your dish is ready. If you like it, let me know with a thumb up, and if you try it, let me know how it went.